Do you have a door that always slams shut with a draft? Yeah, me too. In this video, I'm going to make some cute door stoppers to prevent that. You will need fabric, scissors, pins, thread, a button, some needles, rice and cushion filling. You can sew this by hand, but I'm going to use a sewing machine. You can totally do this if you're a beginner, like me. For the first model, I'm starting with a rectangle. Fold it in half and sew this side. And then sew the bottom part. Pinch the corners and sew it 4 cm apart from the tip. Make the same on the other side and turn inside out. I decided to make this look like a little house, so this would be the moment to add some details if you wanted to. To make it look more like a house, I made a rectangle and cut out the details of the roof. After you're done, press the edges and fill the back with rice. I used 1 kilo and then added some cushion filling to block the rice and make it easier to sew the top. Close, pin and sew. I found it difficult to sew this with the machine, so I think it's better to sew this part by hand. For the strap, cut a piece of fabric, sew the side and the bottom, turn inside out and stick to the roof. At this point, I was so happy about how it turned out that I decided to make a little doorstop collection. For the next one, I decided to make a pumpkin. You know I'm obsessed with them. For the pumpkin doorstep, I cut a circle. Secure the double thread at the beginning so it's fixed. Then, pass the thread through the entire cycle. Load it with rice and cushion filling. Pull the thread and close it tight. You can now add some decorative leaves and the strip will be the tail of the pumpkin. At last, I recreated the first doorstop to see how it would look more plain. Please let me know what's your favorite. I love them all, but I think the little house is the cutest. Thank you for staying until the end. It would mean a lot if you could subscribe or leave a comment. Bye!